All right. Where can I hide this big dinosaur surprise egg from Park Ranger OB, huh? I need a good tree. Good tree, good tree. Whoa! Man, this tree is perfect. Okay, this'll work. Put it right in there. There we go. That tree is like the perfect egg holder. Man, Park Ranger OB is gonna be so excited when I send him on this big surprise dinosaur egg hunt. Uh-oh, it's almost time to feed the dinosaurs. I better get going so Park Ranger OB can find this egg in time. Right, man, can't wait till I find Park Ranger OB and tell him about my surprise. Oh, here he is. Hey, Park Ranger OB, man. Hey, what you up to, dude?
What are you up to?
Oh, nothing much. Maybe just working on a little surprise.
Surprise? Huh.
Yeah.
For who?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe another park ranger?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Who's that?
Hey, my phone's vibrating here. See who it is. Uh-oh. It's a message from the Dino Master, man. We haven't heard from him in a while, have we? Hey, maybe he's gonna tell us he's gonna give us all of our dinosaurs back, huh? Okay, let's see what he has to say here.
This is the Dino Master. Yeah, I've taken your giant surprise egg. If you ever want to see your egg again, you have to follow the clues before time runs out. The first clue is on the turtle. You have 15 minutes.
15 minutes?
15?
What? I can't believe he took my surprise.
Wait.
So now it's not gonna be a surprise. I don't believe him.
What
I think
surprise
he
egg?
can never know about my surprise. There's no way he... Uh-oh, he just texted an image. Let's see what... It's my surprise egg!
What surprise egg?
He's got my surprise egg! And wait a minute. He's got a big old wad of dino!
Yeah! Look! A timer!
Yeah. And it says 15 minutes on that timer. He's not messing around. He's gonna blast my surprise egg to 1 billion pieces.
Yeah, but...
And Dino Master. Oh, he's so frustrating.
What's so special about that, egg?
Well, it was a surprise egg I set up so that we could have like you could have like a surprise egg hunt, you know?
Oh, yeah.
But now we've got 15 minutes to find it. Okay. Let's see. What was the first clue?
Turtle.
It's on the turtle. Dude, we don't need turtles around here. There's dinosaurs. There's no turtles anywhere.
Turtle,
We're gonna find a turtle.
I know.
What is there?
The turtle over there.
Oh, that?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I see. It's like a turtle. That's not a clue. No clue. What do you see? A clue in the... Oh, there's a note.
Yeah.
Okay, what's the note say then?
I once was a box fort, but I'm better as a transport. I'm not a car, I'm not a band, you'll never guess what I am.
Oh, man, that's a hard one. Why does he have to come up with such difficult clues? I could never figure them out.
Oh, I know, it's the Dinonator.
Huh?
It's the Dinonator.
The Dinonator. The Dinonator, of course.
Yeah!
Maybe that's where he's put the surprise egg in the big wad of, Okay, let's go get it, man. Hurry, let's go. Run, we gotta get there. We got 12 minutes. Let's hurry.
Let's see where this thing is.
The Dinonator.
Okay, clue?
Look around.
Clue.
Find a clue here.
Oh, I can't be under there.
Get
Clue?
in there, clue.
Clue?
You're around here, clue.
Clue? Clue?
Over here, clue. Are you up here, clue? Clue? No, clue's not up on here on the roof. Clue? Around here by the pedal, clue.
Hey, Park Ranger Aaron, did you put this egg here?
No, I didn't put that there. I wonder if that's the clue.
Yeah.
Hey, let's take it out and open it up.
It'll be...
Whoa. Hey, there's a dinosaur toy in there, huh? Hey, that's a what?
Stegosaurus.
Yeah, Stegosaurus.
Yeah,
You
here
know
you
you're dinosaurs, man.
Oh.
You should work in a dino park.
Oh,
Okay.
look.
Oh, it's a clue.
When a dino's being sneaky, I can make him kind of sleepy. You can find me on the land with a seat on a stand.
Oh, man, these clues are just getting harder and harder. Okay.
When a dino's being sneaky,
Okay.
I can make him kind of sleepy.
Okay, let's solve just that part first, okay? Dino is sneaky, make him sleepy. What?
Sleepy Dart Blaster!
Oh, yeah, that would make a dinosaur sleepy, wouldn't it? Okay.
Yeah!
All right, so we're looking for a sleepy dart blaster then. Okay, well, we got lots of those inside. Okay, wait, but this says...
You can find me on the land with a seat on a stand.
Okay, so this sleepy dart blaster is out in the park somewhere with a seat on a stand. What kind of seat has a stand?
Well, of is the porta potty.
The outhouse.
Yeah.
That's a seat on a stand.
Yeah.
Let's go! Come on, the outhouse!
Go!
Come back and get that later. We got 10 minutes, so we gotta hurry, okay?
At least we're
Okay.
getting all our steps in today.
Here's the outhouse.
Woo.
Okay.
Porta potty.
We made it. Fine.
Okay.
Oh, wait. I was in here the other day, and there was a wasp.
Wasp.
Yeah, a wasp. You know,
Those are worse than dinosaurs.
I don't know about worse than dinosaurs, but it's pretty scary, okay?
Yeah.
So we gotta open this thing really carefully, all right?
Okay.
Just in case that wasp came back.
The blades
ready,
out.
Be ready there, okay? Okay, wasp. Okay. I think it's gone.
Okay, good.
Okay. Yeah, there. Oh, look! Look!
Ooh.
It's my sleepy dart blaster and another egg.
Why is that? Wasp!
Whoa! Where? There's no wasp. It's gone, man.
It was.
It's no,
It
it's
was
gone.
right there.
It's where? Down there? Okay, don't worry about it if it's down there, okay. So anyway, there's the egg. I'm gonna go in for the egg then, okay?
Okay.
All right, here we go.
Wait, why is there a sleepy dart blaster in there?
Well, like I said, I was in there the other day and I kind of fell asleep, but I left my sleepy dart blaster there, okay?
Oh.
Okay, here we go. Watch my 6 here in case there's a wasp.
How about you watch my 8?
Or you're 12. Hey, I got it! Faked out those wasps. Huh?
Yeah.
All right, you do the Park Ranger OB chop there again, huh?
Woo! Yeah.
Oh, hey, it's another dinosaur. And another clue.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, this time it's a...
Dilophosaur.
Yeah, cool, Dilophosaurus. Okay, all right.
Okay.
What's the clue say?
If you want to find your prize, you better use your eyes. You'll find me near a tree in a paddock meant for tea.
Okay. Let's break it down again.
Okay.
If you want to find your prize, the prize must be my surprise egg. That's got to be it. I think we're
Yeah,
nearing the end of
you
this
gotta
thing.
use your eyes.
Okay, gotta use your eyes.
Eyes, yeah. Oh.
Okay. Okay, so
You'll
okay.
find me near a tree in paddock meant for tea.
There's a lot of trees out here, but it's obviously a tree in a paddock meant for tea.
T-Bone!
Oh, we gotta go into T-Bone's paddock.
Yeah, T-Bone the T-Rex.
We better hurry up. We only got about 5 minutes. Let's go, man. Come on, Park Ranger
We need
OB.
a sleepy dart blaster!
Right.
Quickie Ninja Man.
Be very, very quiet. T-Bone could be around any tree out here, you know? Okay. Hey, it's starting to rain, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, we gotta hurry up. We got less than 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Okay, we gotta hurry. You see T-Bone anywhere?
Oh, looky what I found.
That's it. That's my surprise egg. We got less than 5 minutes. Hurry, dude. Okay, quick. Quick, we gotta. 3 minutes. Okay, just gotta get rid of this thing and take the egg and get out of here.
T-Bone!
He's coming this way. What do we do? We need the egg out of here. We gotta get rid of this thing before it blasts. Think of an idea. What?
We can take the gadget and we can throw it at T-Bone. And, just land short of him so it scares him away.
Yeah, there's only like 30 seconds left. That's all I can think of. Quick, on the count of 3, throw it. On the count of 3. 4, go now. Oh, it worked. Quick, let's get the egg and get out of here. Man, did you see the look on T-Bone's face when that thing blasted, huh? Whew, that was a close one. Okay, well, here's the surprise egg that I was gonna have a surprise egg hunt for you, but the Dino Master kind of messed it up. But
Yeah.
there's still a surprise inside if you want to open it up.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Super LB chop!
Ooh, looky there, man. What is that? Some surprises, huh?
Ooh, it's a Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom Mini-Me.
Awesome. Hey, it's a dinosaur that I don't think we have yet, huh?
Oh, yeah, Mini-Me.
Okay, let's open this bad boy up, huh?
Yeah, let's go.
Hey, I remember seeing one of those at Dinosaur World, don't you?
Yeah.
Mini. We should get one of those here at the dinosaur park, huh?
Yeah.
But those spikes could hurt, though. Okay, what else do we have inside here?
It's an Owen.
Hey, it's Lockwood Battle Owen from Jurassic World Fallen
Yeah.
Kingdom. Hey, we don't have this version of Owen yet, do we?
Oh, no. See, he has the
Awesome.
ripped clothes.
Man, let's open him up. Oh, yeah, there's Owen.
You
And he's all ready for. Oh, wait. Look, Owen's got some scratches.
Oh, yeah, scratches.
He's been in a bit of a raptor fight there, I think.
Yeah.
He's had a rough day, huh?
Then,
Oh, okay. What is that? I think that's like one of those little shocking stick things they use to zap the dinosaurs. Got one more item in there, huh? One more surprise.
chocolate bunny.
It is a chocolate bunny. Cool, dude. Hope you enjoyed your surprise egg.
Yeah, it was awesome. Thanks, Park Ranger Aaron.
You're welcome, Park Ranger OB. Sorry the Dino Master messed it up, but hey,
Yeah.
at least we got some new Jurassic World toys
Yeah.
and a chocolate bunny. Let's go inside and eat it, huh? Let's go, dude.
Let's go.